Hey guys, Ryan here. You are very welcome back to tutorial number 3, the dance for Dynamite by Nova Jones. So this tutorial is the chorus. So we do the chorus, I think 3 times in the whole routine, so it's very, very important. So we're gonna get straight into it. Here we go. Stand up tall. We're gonna bring 2 arms in like this. So our elbows are pointing out, and then we're gonna lean. So one elbow is pointing up and the other elbow is pointing down. Nice and easy. It says, my heart goes boom kaboom. So we're going to bring our arms in for 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to switch to the other side. So this elbow is going up and that elbow is going down. And we're going to do another 4 pull-ins. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says, together we are dynamite. So we're going to cross, cross. We're going to go down for 2, which means 1, 2, and because we're down, there's only one way to go, and that's up. We do a big jump up with our hands in the air, and as we are bringing our arms down, I want you to make a heart as you come down. Nice and easy. So we'll do that one more time. Here we go. Hands in. My heart goes boom kaboom, boom kaboom. Together we are dynamite. Hands down. Very good. So the next part is, it's the same lyrics, but we're going to switch up the dance style just a little bit. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to do 4 big punches in the sky, and I want you to jump as high as you can. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do the same move now. Cross, cross, down for 2. 1, 2, and jump. So all together, it's going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together we are dynamite. Hands down, jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, down, down, jump. Whoa! That is the chorus, guys. Here we go.
My heart goes boom kaboom.